Hello, welcome to Hennepin Marine. This is a 2024 Excel 1754 shallow water F4. This boat is shown in OptiFade Marsh in color, powered by a Mud Buddy 40 HDR EFI, sitting on a Diamond City single axle bunk trailer. Optional equipment, we have spud poles, got one bracket here and one in back. We have the OptiFade Marsh LED bow headlight. This does swivel also. We have our troller kit with plug. Have two temporous seats with poles. Pods at the back. Your other spud pole bracket. As I mentioned, the 40 Mud Buddy EFI Surface Drive HDR. And let's climb inside and take a look around. Welcome aboard. Here at the bow, we have our bow casting deck. Have a trolling motor bracket with plug here. Our LED bow headlight, base for your navigation light, spud pole bracket. Two nice large grab handles on each side here. This boat does have the optional 11-gallon built-in fuel tank, which is right behind this curtain underneath the front deck with an easy fill there. As we make our room to the cockpit area here, nice deep cockpit. Turn around and show you. On the starboard side, we have a gun tray or storage tray, a cup holder, your Mud Buddy grab handle. Have a nice storage area right here in front of the driver's seat. As we move to the port side of the boat here, our rod gun locker does have tubes back there hard to see, but tubes back here for longer rods. Port side live well. This is an optional upgrade with aerator. And this rear compartment, batteries and bilge pump. Right below there you have all your accessory switch with interior lights, fuel gauge, 4-person capacity, and you do have additional storage underneath that full flap for the driver's seat. Motor is a Mud Buddy 40 EFI HDR with trim and reverse. If you have any questions regarding this boat or any of our Excel boats at Hennepin Marine, give us a call. 815-925-7216. Thanks for watching.